What's up, people? F.E.Disciple here. It's Christmas Eve. Nice, beautiful day. Check it out. Just coming at you this morning because I heard something on the news about the new Secretary of Defense that's being installed after General Mathis. Why don't you hear it for yourself?
You know, in my remarks, what I emphasize is there are two new warfighting domains, space and cyberspace. And when we think about cyberspace, the lines are really becoming blurred between what we might call competition and combat. So when is interference more than competition? That's where we're spending our time and making sure that we can protect our institutions, protect our secrets. There are countries that today are stealing our intellectual property, and our job is to stop that.
And before we let you go, Deputy Secretary, I have to ask you about Space Force. It's been a big topic at that conference this week. We spoke to Air Force Secretary Heather Wilson earlier today on CNBC. I know they put out a proposal, potentially $13 billion over the next 5 years. How do you get everybody that's impacted by this on board, including lawmakers, since all of this will have to go through Congress?
Yeah, no, I think the part of getting everyone on board will be simpler than most people think. I think a big part of that is helping people understand what is the Space Force. And where we're driving the Space Force is it is imperative that we protect our economy. And our economy runs on space. So it's all about how do we protect our space assets and then deter our adversaries who wish to do us harm. With that focus, I am very confident that we'll get the alignment of the White House and the Congress and the resources we need to protect America.
To tiny little particles. The pharmacological drugs they got the masses on precludes them from putting their rowdy Piper glasses on. And even when they do, they're unable to gaze too straight, because for most of them it's way too late for them to see past their condition.
Now, I always thought the economy was people actually working to boost the economy. But now this puppet is telling us, it sounds like it's scripted too. It's telling us that space is our economy and they have to protect their interests. Sounds like they're trying to protect themselves from us. Hint, hint. But, let me know what you think. As always, keep it flat.